There are so many different types of birds coming around here right now. And they love the little cave that I made them during this storm. Call me the crazy bird lady, but I really care for the birds that come around and visit me in all weather. Some say I should let them fend for themselves, but if I have the ability to feed somebody, whether it's a person or an animal, that is what I will do. Because that is what I would want done for me.